Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install code blocks on Windows machine. So first here, if I go on this command prompt and then if you write there GCC, so this is working, G++, this also working, write there GCC minus minus version. Then you can get there GCC version that already installed, the version 6.3. The same thing with G++ version. So this version that install. So first you need to install the C or C++ compiler. Then after in Google search box right there code blocks, then go on this codeblocks org site. So now you can get this here. You can get download. So click there on this download. Then go on this here download binary. Then after scroll down. So this is for 64-bit Microsoft exe file, zip file, or this here. Let's use first option. Now here operating C++ and Fortran IDE. So this will automatically start the downloading. Here you can see the file size 49 MB is now downloading. Code block 25 setup executable file. So thank you for downloading. Code blocks 25 setup executable file download completed. Let's click on this join folder. Here you can get, let's double click into this executable file. Then more and here click on this run anyway. Now codeblocks executable. Let's click on yes button. And here click on this next. I agree. This here, this is the location where codeblocks is going to install. Click on this install button. So installing codeblocks on this Windows machine. Want to run codeblocks? Clicking no. Click on this next and click on finish. Thereafter here you can see the icon that's created. Let's click on this code block icon. This is open source cross platform ID for C and C++. So this is now opening. Insert the Windows machine. Here current default compiler GNU GCC. And if I scroll down, this is detected because I already installed MinGW. Let's click on this set as default. Thereafter, let's click on this OK. Now let's thereafter here click on file new, then project. Console application, click on this scope. Next, C++ selecting here, writing there test cpp. Then after here you need to select the folder. So let's click on this desktop, going to get there one. Already has the coder folder. There I'm going to select this. So let's click on this triple dot, desktop, coder, select. This selected, click on next. GNU GCC compiler, this selected there. From this place you can select this compiler. Next, click on this finish. Here, go on this main CVP. This is the default code here. This is some process is going on because this that I'm using first times. Then after build option, click on this build. So G++ executable. So build option that's turning on. This is green button to execute. So here hello world that's displayed. Let's include something inside there. Hello world. Okay. Then after here you have the option. This is save. Click on this save. Again, you need to click on this field. This field here. Let's click on this one. Hello world. Okay, that's displayed. So this is the most simplest way we can install code blocks on Windows machine. Then after run the C++ code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.